algebraic expression. If a plus b plus c equals to 0, we have to show that a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. First, we can write given a plus b plus c equals to 0. This one we can write a plus b equals to minus c. Now we can make cube both sides. It means a plus b whole cube equals to minus c cube. Then as per law we can write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b and equals to, here is minus c cube. Okay, it's a very simple thing. Next we can write a cube plus b cube, and this minus c cube, once we add both sides by c cube, we will get, here is c cube, and we will subtract both sides by minus. It means minus 3ab times a plus b, it will go right side, so minus 3ab and a plus b. Okay, now it's become a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal minus 3ab. A plus b, look, here is a plus b was minus c, so we can write this one. A side note, a plus b equals to minus c. Now very simple thing, it will be a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus and minus, once we multiply it will be plus, so 3abc. So our target solved. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. So we can write proved. So number 1 done. Number 2, here we have to prove in left hand side b plus c whole square by 3bc plus c plus a whole square by 3ca plus a plus b whole square divide 3ab. This expression we have to prove this one is 1. How? Look, b plus c and here is 3bc. So if you make the LCM 3abc, and if we can make a cube plus b cube plus c cube, it will become a cube plus b cube plus c cube. In a we get, which is 3abc. It means 3abc divide 3abc, it will become 1. So how can we make this? Here is a b plus c, so in here we can add a plus b plus c and minus a. It means it's a and a out, ultimately this one is b plus c, and here is square divide 3bc plus, same thing, if we make this one a plus b plus c, it means a plus b plus c. We have to need this minus b, because b and b out, here is c plus a, means a plus c square, and here is 3ca. Again a plus b plus c, c is extra, so we will be out like this way, and here is square 3ab. Now look, everywhere a plus b plus c, but already we saw that it has given a plus b plus c equals to 0. So we can write like this way, 0 minus a square 3bc plus 0 minus b square 3ca plus 0 minus c square, it's a 3ab. Okay, now look, minus 0 minus a, it means minus a square, it's a square, and here is 3bc plus minus b square, it means b square, so here is 3ca plus minus c square, it means c square, and here is 3ab. Now we will make LCM, which is 3abc, right? Now look, here 3 and here is 3. Once you divide 3bc and here 3bc, so here is a means a times a square, it will be a cube. Similar, here is b cube, similar, here is c cube. Now from 1 we get a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc, right? So we can write 3abc divide 3abc, it will be 1. Inside note we can write from 1 a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to what? Not 1, actually 3abc. So here is 1, right hand side also 1. So it's proved. Very important to math we are trying to solve. I hope it will come any kinds of competitive examination, especially IGCSE, CBSE, SSC, or any kinds of term examination. Please subscribe my channel, which is Math Jeep. You will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.